So this next video, keeping in line with our Khan Academy style, we are going to be doing number 17 from the homework. And that's going to be negative 6 times quantity 1 minus 5v, which is equal to 54. So we're going to distribute our negative 6 first to our 1, and then we're going to distribute our negative 6 to our negative 5 here. And all that is going to be equal to 54. So this is going to become negative 6 times 1 plus, I'm going to make this one negative 6 times negative 5v equals 54. And so what we've done here is we've taken our negative 6, we've applied the distributive property, we distributed to the 1 and then to the negative 5v. And both of these are going to be negative 6. We have negative 6 here and negative 6 here. We're taking that from the outside and we distribute it to the 1 and to our negative 5 here. So we're taking that from right there, and that's going to be equal to 54. So if we then multiply this out, we get negative 6 plus negative 6 times negative 5v is going to be 30v. I'm going to rewrite that there as 30v equals 54. Oh man, my clicker's just not working here. Equals 54. So now this is in an equation form that we are comfortable with and familiar with solving. So once again we have negative 6 plus 30v equals 54. And our next step is to limit our constant. In this problem, our constant is going to be our negative 6 right here. So our inverse operation of negative 6 is to add 6 to both sides of the equation. So we add 6 right here and right here. So then we get 30v equals 60. What we've done here is we've added 6 to both sides, and we're left with 30v equals 60. Our next step is to divide by the coefficient. This right here is our coefficient. So we're going to divide both sides by 30. And we get that v is equal to 2. Right there like that. V equals 2. So we did here is we apply the distributive property, negative 6 to 1 and negative 6 to negative 5, which we did here. And we set that equal to 54. Then we simplify this by multiplying negative 6 by 1 and negative 6 by negative 5v. So I got negative 6 plus 30v equals 54. Then added our constant on both sides. Right here's the constant. This is our constant because we don't have any variable here. Added that to both sides. We got 30v equals 60. Divided both sides by 30 to isolate our variable v. This is our variable. And we got that v equals 2. 60 over 30 is 2. And that's how we'd solve one of these equations. So if you watch the two videos, our key word for the day is going to be turkey. Make that a little neater. Turkey. So if you write this at the top of your homework, you're going to get an extra credit point. Just write the word turkey at the top of your homework. You'll get an extra credit point. This is Mr. Druckman signing off for the weekend, and I hope you all have had a great weekend. I will see you on Monday.